Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Rugged Medicine YouTube channel. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to turn a Siloom glow stick or a chem light and a bit of paracord into a signaling device. That is designed for signaling in open space at night, such as when you're on a field, on a hill, you're trying to signal somebody far away for assistance, signal a helicopter, signal an aircraft. So this is typical for expedition medicine, and now I'm going to show you how it's done. First things first, unpack the glow stick. Now that you've got the stick handy, break the inner ampule, make sure it's properly broken, shake it to activate it. There we go. These are very low intensity ones, but for demonstration purposes this will be good enough. Next step, take the paracord, thread it through the little loop. There we go, right on through. Roughly that they're the same length. Tie a knot into it in the end. There we go. Pull it nice and firm. This should be tight. And now you've got the device on the end. Now I'm going to switch the light off and show you how to signal, and this is going to be in a turning manner. Right, so the light is off. Now you've got the stick. Make sure you're in an open space. Hold the rope, and you can now simply spin it like this at large or small diameter, and therefore create a nice marker for nighttime. Right, so now that you've seen it in action, obviously this is just one example of a glow stick. You can get these in white, and the shorter the duration of lighting is, so the 8-hour, the 30-minute models, so the shorter that it is, the more intense and more bright it is. Which means if you're trying to use something for signaling, try and get one that's got a 30-minute duration or less, tie it to the paracord, then swirl it around, and you'll have a very good marking device and signaling device for nighttime. Very compact to pack, very lightweight to carry, and a very good backup to have as a signaling device in your expedition and in your medical kit. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.